Hello guys and welcome to Ask MBA. So in this video we are going to solve question based on time and work. Again, one of the most important question all your MBA entrance exam. You will get at least 2 to 3 questions in every exam. Alright. So this question I have taken from CAT 2021 slot 1. So let's understand the question. Anu, Vinu and Manu can complete a work alone in 15 days, 12 days, 20 days respectively. So we are going to solve this question with your usual method of finding LCM, right? Because LCM is your least common multiple, which is equal to your total work. So the work is common for these people. So for Anu, he takes 15 days to complete a work, and Vinu takes 12 days to complete the same work, and Manu completes the same work in 20 days, right? So the concept of finding LCM is nothing but your total work. Now I can say LCM for this number is 60. So you must know how to calculate LCM. Please refer how to find LCM for any given numbers. Now why we are finding this LCM? This LCM is your total work, right? So after finding this total work, now I can talk about the efficiency. Efficiency of Anu is 4 chairs per day. If we say this 60 chairs as your total work, so I can say Anu can make 4 chairs per day. How I am getting this 4? You need to divide this 60 by your number of days. So same for Vinu. If he takes 12 days to finish 16 chairs, so it means he makes 5 chairs per day, right? And for the Minu, he takes 3 chairs per day. Now this 4, 5, 3 are nothing but one day work for these respective people. Now let's read your question further. Anu works only on alternate days starting from the first day. Alright. And Manu works only on alternate starting from the second day. Again, let's try to understand this question by writing all the things one by one. So Vinu works every day. So Vinu will be working on every day, where Anu works only alternate day starting from the first day, and finally Minu also works alternate day but starting from the second day. So now I can say, alright, so now I can say on the first day who will be working? This Vinu will be working for all the days. On the first day Anu will also work, because it is said Anu works only on alternate days starting from the first day. So on the first day Vinu and Anu will be working, but this Minu will not be working. It is clearly said in the question. So now I can say, if Vinu is working, so he is making 5 chairs on the first day, and Anu is making 4 chairs on the first day. So in total they are making 9 chairs in the first day, right? This is we can say. Now let's talk about second day. On the second day, who will be working? Anu will not be working, but simultaneously this Vinu will be working, because he is working all the day. But these two, Anu and Minu, are working on alternate days. For the second day, Minu will be working, Anu will not be working. Now on the second day, a total of 8 chairs will be manufactured, right? So now we need to calculate same thing one by one. Now how many chairs have been manufactured so far? That is 17. And how many days we have taken? 2 days, right? But how many chairs we need to make? That is 60. So we need to go further in days and chairs as well. So in second 2 days, I am talking about 2 days. In next 2 days, again 17 chairs will be manufactured. Alright, so for this is 34. So let's talk about next 2 days. So again next 2 days 17 chairs will be manufactured. Now let's try to add this thing. You'll get around 51 chairs and 6 days. So now we can say 51 chairs will be manufactured in 6 days. Now how many chairs we are still to make? That is 9 chairs. So 9 chairs will be manufactured on the next day, because 6 days we have already worked. Now on the next day, who will be working? Second, this Vinu and Anu, he will not be working. So on the second day, after this 6th day, 9 chairs again will be manufactured by Vinu and Anu only. Minu will not be working on that day. So again we need to add that 9 to 51. So 51 plus 9, 16 chairs. This is what we need. And again 6 days earlier plus 1 more day. So total 7 days will be required to complete 60 as your total work.